Welcome back, everyone. Now, let me ask you a question. What happens when you hit a wall? You will get hit back too. That is the simple law of the action and reaction. But what happens actually on the atomic level? Because 99% of all the atoms are empty, so you are hardly touching any of the electrons. So, why you feel that hit back? Why it is so painful, why I cannot cross just like the waves that I just shown you here, right? So why this happen? hmm so let's investigate a little. For the investigation, let's make a wall, and let's make our let's name this guy. Okay, let me make him a little beautiful and strong guy. So he is punching the wall continuously. I don't know how painful it be for him, but doing it for science. He's doing it for science. So we appreciate for your work. Okay. So he's crying and he's smiling. Don't look at me. I'm not teaching you something weird here. So what happens if 99% of the atom is empty? Even if you take the billions of atoms, so there is almost hardly be anything. It's just like number of nucleus and number of electrons are this small in this much big area. That what should I say? So when I go, my hand should cross like this, eventually not touching this one. So what actually happens? Because I always hit back by the wall. The reason we hit back because our hand surface is having electron. Anything's surface is consisting of electrons. Nucleus is just way aside behind us. So the electron density is high at the surface. And when electron density is high at the surface and what you are punching is also having electrons, so with the very simple principle that we learned from the junior high school, that two same charges repel each other. It's that simple. And because our own electron repel and get hit back because of those energies, it change or try to change the orbit. We feel that we are hurt, and sometimes the red color you see, the red patches, that happens because your electrons get disturbed and the frequency comes out. Surely be the pain included, but that is the entire philosophy. And if you make yourself, or if you make the arrangement or eliminate the electrons, or make a tricky way, you can cross the wall, just like the Wi-Fi signal, internet signal, Bluetooth signal, our mobile signal. So many things do that every single day. uh, like right now I'm using Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is crossing the wall quite easily. So there is no disturbance in that. If it is not powerful, it can cross the wall. So how it can cross the wall? It actually have not to cross the wall. It just have to cross the area of the atom which is already empty. It its purpose is not to disturb the electrons and the protons of the wall. If the wave do not disturb the area, it could happily go out. So that is the entire concept. And now you can say that why you get hurt. So thank you, Mr. Well, we do not named you. We will name you later on the name of science. Thank you. So now we learned about the concept that D. Broglie tried to teach us. And now we can feel that we are actually getting happier. So now we are going to getting into the core concept of the dual nature. So stay with me, stay tuned. God bless.